Hello guys, Newbell Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we have yet another unboxing, and this time we're unboxing this. Hopefully you can see it. This is the Lightning to 30-pin connector. So for those of you that are new to Apple used to have this 30-pin connector. I believe that from the time of the first iPod. I could be mistaken, but for a long time, like 2003 maybe, something like that. And in 2012, with the iPhone 5, they introduced Lightning, and every device they have released ever since includes the Lightning port to charge it. So yeah, they released this adapter when they introduced Lightning, so you could use all your dock accessories with your Lightning devices, and I just got one in 2019. And there is a reason for that. Well, the main reason actually is that it was €5 only, which it usually costs like €30, I think. But I saw it for 5 and I saw like, okay, let's use it. But then there's another reason, and it's this. I have the dock to HDMI adapter, and I also happen to have the dock to VGA adapter. So with this, I hopefully can use this with my Lightning devices, so that's good. But I didn't think of that. So I also bought the Lightning to HDMI adapter, but I might return this one, just because I thought of this. So yeah, I'm not sure yet if I will keep it, but if I did keep it, I will unbox it, and you can see it somewhere around here. But anyway, today we're with the Lightning to 30-pin adapter. This is strange because usually Apple adapters are like this. They have like a short cable. I also have around here the Lightning to SD card. So yeah, they're usually short cable, but this one has a longer cable. So I'm curious to see how long it is. Okay, 20 centimeters, it says it at the back. But yeah, the box is pretty simple. It just has this Lightning 30-pin, explains you how to connect, very simple. And then you don't even need scissors to open it. You have a small pull tab. You just pull and open it, and do this, and it's actually at the back. So yeah, this is it. Okay, get it out. Okay, so this is it. It's the cable. You can see the dock here and then the Lightning here. So if you have a Lightning device, like say an iPhone 5, which I just happen to have here, you can connect this right here. And then if you have any dock accessory or even a charging cable would be okay. Wait, this is way too long. You can connect it here, and this is it. So it's pretty seamless actually. Pretty nice and easy. And yeah, lets you use your dock accessories. So now we're going to try it, for example with this one, because I don't have any VGA port, but I do have HDMIs. So we're gonna try to see if connecting it to the HDMI port actually is useful. Also, we're gonna try a charger, and we're gonna try charging it because for example the dock to HDMI has this charging port, so you can charge your device as you mirror the screen with the HDMI. So we're gonna try that, and we're gonna see. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so for this test we'll be using the iPhone 8 Plus because it's the latest one I have, and it is the only one I have that is currently supported by iOS 13. So if it works here, it should work in previous versions too. So we'll connect the Lightning to here, and then take the dock, and for example let's start with charging it. So connect the dock here, and as you can see it is charging, so that is very nice. Okay, so next I actually have some bad news. So this is the HDMI adapter connected to the Lightning adapter, and I have found out that it does not work. So if I try to plug it in my iPhone 8 Plus, it will charge because it's connected to the charger here, but it will not show image on the screen, which is sad. However, if I plug it into the iPad 2, which is right here, it will do both, charge and show the image on the screen. And you can see the blue bar here, and you can see the image there. So yeah, this is sad. This is deceiving actually. I really thought it would work. And I have also found out that plugging it into the iPhone 5, which is right here, let me unlock it first, will show an error message that I don't know if you can really see it, but it says that the accessory is not supported by this iPhone. So that is actually deceiving. I really thought it would work. So yeah, but actually even the charging also works, and it charges this iPhone too. So it makes no sense that it does not work, to be honest. Let's try unplugging the HDMI again. Still no luck. Nope, accessory not supported by this iPhone. So yeah, this is actually changing my mind a lot. So first of all, I will definitely keep the Lightning to HDMI adapter. Hopefully that one will work. And yeah, basically, so you're very limited with what you can do with this. So to start, that I was able to try it, you can only charge it, and that's pretty much it. There were also these docking stations back in the day that they were basically like stereo speakers, and you would just plug your iPhone like this. Of course they are dock, so I don't know if they will work with this, to be honest. I'm sorry I don't have one to try, but if any of you has one and has the adapter, you can let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, actually after this deception, let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay, so the Apple dock to Lightning adapter. After we finish this review, I have actually, I was very excited about this at the beginning, but now I'm not that much. Let me explain myself. So you cannot make it work with the HDMI. I'm not sure if it will work with the VGA. I would love to try it, but I don't have either a VGA monitor nor a VGA cable. And yeah, I really doubt it will work. So basically this is just to charge your phone. That's everything. So this could be good if you have a lot of dock cables laying around, or yeah, as I said, I couldn't try it with the docking station either. But yeah, that's pretty much it actually, which is not good. I'm glad I only paid €5 for this, but if I had paid more, I would return it, because I don't think it's a good value. Like, don't get me wrong, maybe if you have a lot of dock cables laying around, it's good for you, right? You can really get use out of it. But if you do have a lot of dock cables lying around, in 2019 you'll probably also have a lot of lightning cables lying around. So it's not a lot of use for this. I don't know what other accessories there were. There was this dock to SD card. I don't have that either, so I can try. And yeah, actually that would be good with iOS 13 if it worked, because you can have this. There was also the dock to USB, so maybe it works with like connecting it and accessing via the Files app, but I really doubt it will work as well. But yeah, do you have this? Have you tried it with any other accessories or connectors? Please let me know down below in the comments. Also, if you have any questions about this, leave them down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. And yeah, this is pretty much the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Again, really, if you have questions, also leave your opinion down below, because I don't think I've ever been so let down of an Apple product, to be honest. But yeah, let me know down below in the comments what you think, and if you like the video, thumbs up. After this fiasco, I'm definitely keeping the Lightning to HDMI adapter, so you can see the video somewhere here. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, see you in the next one, and subscribe for more Apple related content coming very often. Bye.